Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Group Name tool to name a group. Firstly, I've got one-click components. And every one-click component has got a name, a group name. So to show its name, select Properties, select the frame. In Fitting tab, tick Generate Label. A group name helps us to manage the project, the panels, and the frames better. And the default name is Cabinet. To change its name, select the frame, select the tool, Group Name tool, and type in the new name. Hit OK. Then it's gonna be updated. Otherwise, we don't have to turn on the label. We can also name it. Select the frame, select the tool Group Name tool, and name it. Next, for every other component, for example, exploded ones, select the whole frame, select the tool, and name it. Then hit OK. So this is how we use Group Name tool. For more instructions, see you in the next videos.